Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook pre-cooked shrimp. First, always ensure your pre-cooked shrimp is fully thawed before you begin. If frozen, transfer it to the refrigerator the night before, or place it in a bowl of cold water for about 20 minutes to an hour, changing the water every 15 minutes. This crucial step ensures even heating and prevents your shrimp from becoming tough, making sure every bite is perfectly tender. Proper thawing sets the stage for a great meal. Sautéing is a fantastic way to quickly warm pre-cooked shrimp and infuse it with flavor. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the pan is warm, add your thawed shrimp in a single layer. Sauté for just 2 to 3 minutes, flipping halfway through until they are heated through and slightly pink. This method prevents overcooking and keeps the shrimp succulent, perfect for a fast dinner. For a more hands-off approach, roasting pre-cooked shrimp is wonderfully simple. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. On a baking sheet, toss your thawed shrimp with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, pepper, and your favorite seasonings, like garlic powder or paprika. Spread them in a single layer and roast for 5 to 7 minutes. This method yields tender, flavorful shrimp with minimal effort, ideal for a crowd. Grilling imparts a delicious smoky flavor to pre-cooked shrimp, perfect for summer meals. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat. For easier handling, thread the thawed shrimp onto skewers. Brush them lightly with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and season to your liking. Grill for only 1 to 2 minutes per side, just until they are thoroughly warmed and have developed light char marks. Enjoy the fantastic outdoor taste without long cooking times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.